don't need less screen time. You need better screen-free rituals. Okay, so real talk. You get off work. Your eyes feel like they have been sandblasted. Your brain is running at like 4% battery. And what do? You pick up your phone, you start scrolling, you watch 47 videos about nothing, and then you go to bed feeling worse than before. Congratulations, you have completed the screen loop of despair. This is your life now, or is it? If you are over 35 and you are dealing with screen fatigue so bad that your eyeballs are basically filing a formal complaint against your lifestyle, this video is literally a divine intervention. We are talking 3 after-work rituals that will restore your presence, your sanity, and your entire personality. And none of them involve a single screen, not one, Zorro screens. We are going feral in the best way. Ritual number 1, the 20-minute walk with absolutely no podcast, no music, no nothing. I know, you just gasped. You are scared, you feel naked without your earbuds. That is the point. Your nervous system has been marinating in stimulation all day like a sad little piece of chicken in way too much sauce. When you walk in silence, your brain actually starts to decompress. You notice things. The sky, a weird dog, a neighbor doing something suspicious. Your thoughts arrive like, oh hey, remember us? We live here. This is called being a person. It is free. It is genuinely unhinged how effective it is. Ritual number 2, analog journaling, pen, paper, the physical kind, not notes app, not voice memo, not a Google Doc. We are going caveman era. We are writing on actual paper like it is the 14th century, and we love it. Here's the thing about writing by hand. It is slow, and slow is the point. Your overstimulated brain has been processing information at the speed of a caffeinated squirrel all day. Handwriting forces you to slow the whole operation down. You process your emotions. You figure out what actually happened today versus what your anxiety decided happened. It is basically free therapy, but make it paper. Now here is where I have to tell you about something, because your hands are going to cramp, especially if you have not written by hand in years, especially if you're over 35 and your body has decided that new activities come with a tax. The solution is so simple, it is almost rude. You need a good ergonomic pen grip set, the ones on Amazon, the kind that are soft and cushioned and make writing feel like your hand is being carried gently by a cloud. These exist. They are real. They are affordable. They are sitting in your Amazon cart right now waiting for you to believe you deserve nice things. Link is in the description. Go get them. Your future journaling self will send you a thank you note, written by hand obviously. Progressive muscle relaxation with no devices in the room. And I mean no devices. Your phone goes in another room. Your laptop is closed. Your watch is off your wrist. You are just your body and the floor, and the completely chaotic experience of actually being present in your physical form. You start from your feet. You tense them. You hold it. You release. You move up. Legs, stomach, shoulders, jaw. Your jaw is going to be so tense. It is always the jaw. You have been clenching that thing like you're holding state secrets. By the time you finish, you will feel like you have been rebooted, like someone pressed Control-Alt-Delete on your entire existence in the best way possible. These 3 rituals sound simple, almost embarrassingly simple, and that is exactly why they work. Your screen fatigue is not a willpower problem. It is not a you problem. It is a stimulation saturation problem. Your brain has hit its limit, and it is sending you signals through your tired eyes and your inability to feel present in your own life. The walk, the journal, the body scan, 20 minutes each, 60 minutes total, no screens required. Start tonight, right after you finish this video, which is technically a screen, but we are not going to talk about that. The point stands. Get your ergonomic pens from the link in the description. Start your journal. Touch some grass literally, and restore the version of you that existed before the internet made everything so relentlessly a lot. You are going to be okay. Probably. Now go outside. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your routines.